So hey guys, good evening everyone. So today we are going to copy our local file system data into EC2 instance. Okay, so this thing we can do in two ways. Okay, I will be going to show these things with those two ways. Okay, and then firstly, okay, let me tell you what are the two ways. Okay, our first way is by using scp command, which is secure copy command, and then another way is by using FileZilla, okay, which is a FTP client, okay, that that help us to connect with our host, and then it help us to share our data from our local system to the remote system. Okay, so local file system to remote file system. So here we go. Okay, so firstly, okay, what are the things we are required? We have to create, firstly we have to create our instance. Okay, for that just go to the launch instance things, and then go and select Ubuntu server. Okay, we will be working on Ubuntu server, so just select that image API AMI file and image file, and then just go and click next. After that, okay, just click next, and then again you have to click next thing. Then I don't want to add any key tags. Okay, key pair tags. Okay, so just I am just clicking next here, and then here I am selecting. Okay, let me, for this security group, okay, let me uh, create a security group, and then just review and launch, and then okay, let me go and launch this tab, and here I don't have it say I don't have any array. Okay, I'm sorry for the interruption. So actually my server was Mumbai, so that's why it was not showing. So let me switch to my server, which is in Mumbai, and then let me again open my EC2, and then let me create a EC2 instance from here. So launch the instance, let me click that thing, and then let me select Ubuntu server again, and then we just have to give next. Okay, just give next, and here also just give next, next and next. Here, okay, I do have this existing, okay, a security group. Okay, just let me select that thing, and then launch, and then here I am providing my RSC key, which is already downloaded in my system, and I'm just providing that already created key pair things. Okay, if you don't have, you just go and select from here and just create a new key pair. Okay, if you don't have, and then download that thing into your systems. Okay, so let me launch this instance. Now let me go and view my instance. Okay, so firstly I will walk you through with using scp copy. Okay, that means secure copy, scp, using scp commands, and then in the second way I will be going to tell you, okay, how can we do that thing using FileZilla. Okay, so let's wait, okay, for the running state. Okay, now it's our instance is running up and running, and now for that we will be going to need this public IPv before DNS address. So let me just copy these things, and then let me go to my terminal, and then here, okay, so I have to go inside my directory. Okay, which is wherever my pim, okay, which is wherever my key pair value file is stored. Okay, I have saved and download that key pair value inside my downloads folder, so I am switching to the directly. Okay, let me hit, and then just connect. Okay, just connect using, okay, this you just have to give connections, okay, and then just connect using SSHI, and you have to give your PEM file, okay, file name and with PEM file name, and then just give your username for Ubuntu, okay. Username is Ubuntu, and then just paste your public key, okay, public DNS key, so it will connect, okay, now with our instance, okay. Just say yes, and then okay, yeah, our instance is open. Let me hit ls, and there is nothing to show for now. Let me create directory, okay, sorry, mkdir, and I will name it as data folder, okay. Now okay, hit enter, and say ls, and then here as you can see data folder is created successfully into my instance, okay. So now I will open my another terminal, okay. So here, okay, in another terminal from our local, firstly our task is, okay, our use case is to copy file from our local system. So firstly I will tell you that we will be going to require, okay, that PEM key file for transferring local data also, okay. So firstly let me go through to the directory wherever my PEM key file is located, and then for that we'll be going to use our command, that is scp, and then okay, I have already written this code, okay. Let me just walk through, okay, and then okay, that's great, okay. So excuse me, okay. So here let me paste my DNS key, okay. So sorry, okay, wait for, let me explain you. We will be going to write our scp command with I, we have to give -I, and then after that we have to provide our PEM key file, okay, file name, okay, PEM key file name. So after that, okay, whatever file you want to load into our instance, we have to give that file name. So for now I am going to give my file name, okay, that is from downloads. I am going to upload ECS instance.png file from here into my instance, okay. So let me give ECS instance, okay, that is my file name, and then after giving file name, just give your username, okay. Just give your username, and I have already told that username is similar for all, okay, if you have used Ubuntu as image file while selecting, okay, while creating ECS. So just give your public API, okay, public key here, okay, public IPv4 address here, and then just give the path, okay. This is the path, okay. Data is the folder, okay, which is present in instance, okay. Now just hit enter, and it will take some time, so just wait for it. And now your file is successfully loaded into ECS, okay. Successfully copied, okay. So now we from here, okay, let me go inside my data folder, and just let me do ls here, and then as you can see my folder, my file is already here, okay. So similarly, okay, we can download, okay, similarly we can also download this file from here, okay, from our instance into our directory, okay. So for that, okay, we will be going to use the same command, okay, same command, okay. Firstly we are going to write scp with -I, and then we have to provide our PEM key file, and then after that we have to provide our username, that is Ubuntu, and then just give the public IPv4 address, okay. Then after that, after this colon, okay, then we have to give our path folder name, which is data, okay, which is present inside our instance, and inside data we have the file name called ECS instance, okay. So .png, and then in the last thing, okay, here I am providing my home path, okay, home directory, and within, okay, videos, okay, within let me change my directory and just give music. Okay, let me give music. Okay, I want to store that file into music, so just give the music and then let's wait. Okay, I don't know why is it taking time, so we just have to wait. Okay, and maybe it's a issue with my internet connections. Previously it was so fast, but right now it is taking time. So okay, I got it. So problem was, okay, I got it. My problem was I haven't changed my EC2 instance. Okay, just let me paste it. Okay, this one is my latest. Okay, public DNS file. So let me delete this .com. Okay, now let me hit enter. It will copy my file from that instance into my music folder. As you can see, it is successfully copied. Okay, so let me go to the music folder, and as you can see, this operation is done successfully. So in this way you can copy your file, okay, from your local system by using scp command. Okay, so let me exit this windows. Okay, and then let me close this. Let me, okay, so no, okay, so we will be going to use same instance for FileZilla also. So for FileZilla, okay, there are certain, okay, things, okay, we have to keep in mind. And firstly we have to install FileZilla. Okay, just go through the command prompt and just type sudo apt install FileZilla. Okay, after installing FileZilla, okay, you have to also install another another tool, that is putty tool. Okay, just search for, okay, sudo apt install putty tools, and then okay, sorry, that is tools, and then just install this software. Okay, just hit enter and install this software. Okay, after doing installation, okay, what thing we have to do is that we have to use putty generator. So let me walk you through my commands, and then we are just going to use this putty gen okay, this things, okay, this tool. Okay, just use this tool. Okay, because it couldn't find the file, because I haven't gone I haven't gone inside my directory. Okay, just go to the directory of your pm file. In my case it is downloads. Okay, then just fire this command puttygen, and you have to give your file name, which is the pm file, and then just give hyphen o with private, and then small o. Okay, hyphen small o, and then you have to give your new file name, okay, with ppk. Okay, you know, we need this ppk because FileZilla couldn't load our settings. Okay, with couldn't load our data without converting it into ppk. So just convert this file into ppk by using this puttygen character command. So after doing this, okay, we have to give permission. Okay, we have to give permission to this file before using. Okay, otherwise it will not work. So just do chmod, and then just give your file name, and just give the permission of 407 and then just input your new ppk. Just give your file name, which is ppk file name, and then now we are successfully done with this part. So now go to your, just open your FileZilla. Okay, now open your FileZilla, and then click here in file, and then in site manager just click here. Okay, then and then what you have to do is, in your case it will be blank, so just click here and create new site, and then just rename it into anything that you wish. Okay, I have created rename it into AWS EC2. So, and in your right side, okay, you will find this GUI here. Then in your case FTP is already selected, so just change it into SFTP, which is SSH file transfer protocol, and then okay, and then just we have to do is that we have to provide, okay, we have to provide our DNS, public DNS that I have already mentioned. Okay, whatever DNS I have mentioned, just put it here. Okay, just paste that thing here, and then after that, in case of user, just select Ubuntu. Okay, so before doing this, okay, just go to your edit file and just go to settings. We have to load our file. Okay, that is ppk file. So go to SFTP, and then just go and click a add key, and then just select your ppk file, and then you will have the option of clicking OK here, and just click OK. Then you will successfully load your ppk file, and then now go to your sites, and then just go, and you have to provide your host name here. Okay, so let me give my okay, sorry, and let me go and copy this public DNS from here, and then just provide it here. Okay, so provide it here, and just leave the other things as it is, and in case of user, just give Ubuntu. Okay, so let me hit connect. Okay, now it will connect. Okay, just click OK, so it will start connecting. Okay, and then yeah, here as you can see, whatever things are there in my in my instance, it is showing. Okay, this data folder is also there. Okay, it is showing this data folder also. So okay, so so we are going to copy, okay, another file, okay, from here also. Let me copy another file, okay, which is of a small size. So let me copy this swg jpg file, just drag and drop it here. Okay, it is doing transfer. Okay, then as you can see, it has been successfully transferred. Okay, our data has been successfully loaded into our remote site, and as you can see, similarly you can also drag and drop here also. Okay, so just it is just a quick it is by using FileZilla, it is also easy. Okay, because it has a GUI, so it become very easy. Okay, so well, okay, that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much.